Hey guys, what's up? Ready to glow here and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve this brown smoky eye right here. It is super quick and easy to do and it only requires 3 colors. You heard me right, it only takes 3 colors. Achieving a smoky eye doesn't need to be that difficult, so if you are interested in this tutorial, please keep on watching. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is the perfect palette for a brown smoky eye. It has all the right colors in it for every different type of skin tone. So if you don't have this, I would go and get it because this should be a staple in everyone's kit. I'm going to start off by using the color Burnt Orange in my crease, and I'm going to use a big fluffy blending brush to buff that out. Now you don't need to make this super neat. It's okay if it goes halfway up between your crease and your brow bone. You don't want to take it up too high though, and it's okay if it goes a bit on your lid as well. Other colors will cover it up and help it transition smoothly. Next, using a blending brush that's a little bit more dense, you're going to use the color Sienna and apply this right into your crease and into your outer V. You don't want to take this one up too high. You do want to concentrate this one more right into the crease and outer V, just because this will be the transition between your dark brown and that lighter brown that you put on before. Finally, using a flat eyeshadow brush, you're going to dip into the color Mulberry and apply this all over your lid. Now this part you want to be super pigmented and you don't really care for it to be super blended out like the other eyeshadows are. So what you're going to do is press and pull down with your eyeshadow brush to get the most pigment out of it. Now to get a nice smooth transition between your crease and your lid, what you're going to do is use that same brush that you used to apply the color Sienna. Don't apply any more extra eyeshadow onto it and just take that brush and buff out the crease. Now that's going to help you blend the color between your lid and your crease nicely. So you're going to go in with a black pencil eyeliner. I am using the Vasanti Kajal Waterline eyeliner, and you're going to go ahead and tightline your lash line and your waterline. Now tightlining your lash line can be a little bit tricky to do sometimes, so what I like to do is pull up my lid, tightline a little bit, and then drop my lid so I can blink. By lifting and dropping your eyelid, it helps prevent your eyes from getting super watery and irritated. To finish off this look, I'm going to dip back into the color Mulberry and smoke out my waterline using a small, kind of fluffy pencil brush. Now when I smoke out my waterline, I do like to apply the eyeshadow right on top of where I applied the black pencil because this helps set it and it prevents it from running. Once I'm done smoking out my actual waterline, I like to raise my mirror above my eye so that I can look up and smoke out right underneath my waterline easily. And finally, to complete this look, I'm going to apply some mascara. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I highly, highly recommend it. So now that eyes are complete, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a lipstick. I didn't put on a lipstick before because I didn't want my hands to hit it. I always rest my hands on my face whenever I'm doing my eyes. So yeah, I didn't want my hands to hit it and mess up my lipstick, so I'm gonna quickly go ahead and do that. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As you can see, smoky eyes don't need to be that difficult to do. I think sometimes makeup artists make things way too complicated, but you can do a really nice smoky eye with just 3 colors. If you did like this tutorial, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!